Hello Leos and welcome to your bonus love reading. So this is a bonus love reading for the sign of Leo. Also Leos, keep in mind that this is a general reading, collective reading. So जो भी messages आपकी situation से resonate करे उससे लें, बाकियों को छोड़ दें. A timeless reading है, so जब भी आप ये reading देखेंगे, ये reading आपसे resonate करेगी. And if this reading found you, it found you for a reason, and there could be messages for you in this reading. So we have so many cards over here. We have mask. So this person is hiding their true emotions and feelings from you. However, this person feels, like they feel like this is a twin flame connection. You could be twin flames, soulmates, high level twin flame connection. If you're thinking that, if you are expecting a communication from this person, yes, you are soulmates. And if you are expecting communication from this person, might be possible कि ये अभी आपसे communicate नहीं कर पा रहे, या they are not open about their feelings. But however, being apart from you, this person is stalking you. This person is having memories from the past. ये past की memories को, जो भी आपके साथ वक्त गुजरा उसको याद कर रहे हैं. ये पर्सन आपके ऊपर दूर से नज़र बनाए हुए रखे हैं आपके सोशल मीडिया पे, या अपने अगर आपकी म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड्स हैं तो उनसे आपके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट सोर्सेज से आपके बारे में. मे बी कोई पॉसिबल है कि ये कोई साइकिक एडवाइस ले रहे हैं, टैरो रीडिंग ले रहे हैं, या ये कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल रीडिंग ले रहे हैं आपके बारे में. लेकिन किसी न किसी से ये आपके और अपने कनेक्शन के बारे में ज़रूर पूछ रहे हैं. बिकॉज इन पर्सन को ऐसा लगता है आप दोनों के बीच में इस वक्त नो कॉन्टेक्ट सिचुएशन तो है, और ये पर्सन, और अगर लो कॉन्टेक्ट सिचुएशन भी है तो ये पर्सन अपनी फीलिंग्स को हाइड कर रहे हैं आपसे. दे आर नॉट फुली ट्रांसपेरेंट अबाउट देयर फीलिंग्स, एंड they see their happiness, joy and expansion with you. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. We have Five of Wands, could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have the Empress, Taurus and Libra energy. We have the Two of Swords, again Aries, Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Eight of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Six of Wands, again Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck we have Seven of Wands, Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords. So आपके पर्सन ने they cutted you out from their life, and right now you are in no contact situation with this person, because in person ने आपको backstab किया. They were wishy washy, they were hot and cold, they were in and out. इसलिए इन्होंने आपसे कांटेक्ट तो तोड़ दिया, ठीक है, सारे रिश्ते नाते ख़त्म कर दिया. विद द एट ऑफ कप्स दे वॉक्ड अवे फ्रॉम यू, दे वॉक्ड अवे फ्रॉम दिस कनेक्शन because they were confused, they were on crossroads. But however, I see that this person sees you as a wish fulfillment. और ये पर्सन आपकी तरफ आके ये कंपटीशन भी फील करते हैं, या माजी में जब ये आप इनके साथ कनेक्शन में थे तो इन्होंने आपको कंपटीशन में डाल दिया था. लाइक you had to do a lot to in order to gain their attention. Like they created so much roughness and toughness in the connection कि आपको इनकी attention पाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी. Five of Wands है, Six of Wands है, तो definitely बहुत competition, बहुत ज़्यादा drama, chaos यहाँ पे मैं फील कर रही हूँ कि माजी में आप दोनों के बीच में था, और इसी वजह से एंडिंग हुई. And the other party was feeling suffocated with the other person, and simply they walked away. Either you walked away या इन पर्सन ने खुद ही आपको खुद से दूर कर दिया. But this person is realizing your worth, that you are this empress and you won't take less than what you deserve. So इनको अब ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस मौजूद हैं, and you can get a good proposal from somebody else, okay, and somebody else can because you are such a nice person, you are such a loving and caring person and nurturing with the empress. सो इन पर्सन को लगता है कि कोई और ना आपको ले जाए, सो दे शुड मेक द फर्स्ट मूव, और we'll see further. They see you as a wish fulfillment. Show me Leo's feelings towards this person. Show me Leo's feelings towards this person. Show me Leo's feelings towards this person. Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. You're waiting an offer from this person, Three of Cups. There is love between the two of you. There are emotions between the two of you. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Swords. We have Ace of Wands and the World. आपको ऐसा लगता है इन पर्सन के साथ आपने एक टफ साइकिल कंप्लीट किया है, या वैसे आपने अपनी लाइफ में एक साइकिल कंप्लीट किया है और एक साइकिल की एंडिंग के साथ न्यू साइकिल आपकी लाइफ में बिगिन होने वाला है. Page of Cups, Three of Cups, Page of Pentacles. I see an offer coming in from this person. ठीक है, जिससे भी आप manifest कर रहे हैं. But I also see that there are many offers coming your way because we have the Six of Wands. So many people are trying to get your attention. और आप यही सोच रहे हैं कि कैसे इन पर्सन ने आपको बैक स्टैप करके अपनी लाइफ से निकाला. एट ऑफ सॉर्ड्स है, तो डेफिनेटली आप खुद को इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं. बात मैं आपकी तरफ एक पैशनेट न्यू बिगिनिंग, एक पैशनेट न्यू ऑफर आते हुए देख रही हूँ विद द एस ऑफ वैंड्स. डेफिनेटली ये कोई न्यू बिगिनिंग की ऑफर है, लेकिन ये कोई ऐसी पैशनेट ऑफर है दैट यू विल बिकम हैप्पी आफ्टर गेटिंग इट. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. So we have Four of Cups, Seven of Wands, Two of Cups. This person has love for you, Six of Cups. They want reconciliation with you. We have the Wheel of Fortune. They want a change with you in this connection. And Ten of Swords. इनको ऐसा लगता है कि इन्होंने आपके साथ एक टफ साइकिल एंड किया है. इनको भी ऐसा ही लगता है जैसा आपको लगता है कि इन्होंने आपके साथ एक टफ साइकिल एंड किया है, और दे फील दैट यू आर देयर सोलमेट, ट्विन फ्लेम, डिवाइन काउंटरपार्ट, डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन, डिवाइन फेमिनिन. एंड विद द Two of Cups, moving from the Two of Cups, they want to, moving from this energy of Four of Cups, where both of you needs to do the healing, and then moving to the energy of Seven of Swords, जहाँ पे आप दोनों के बीच में लहदगी हुई, जुदाई आई, और आप दोनों ने इस कनेक्शन से हील किया. और then you want to go towards the Wheel of Fortune, and this person wants everything to be changed between the two of you. And then ये Two of Cups से Six of Cups पे ये एनर्जी गई, यानी कि इन पर्सन को फील हुआ कि दे हैव फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस फॉर यू एंड दे वांट टू रिकंसाइल विद यू. So they want to change everything, and they want to start everything from the new beginning. They want to change everything to a 360-degree angle. We have Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and Tower. Recently in person को आपके बारे में कोई spiritual awakening भी हुई है. They have gone through a spiritual awakening regarding you and this connection, and now they see you as a wish fulfillment. And if अगर आपने या आपके पर्सन ने मनी सिचुएशन की वजह से छोड़ा था, या इस वजह से थर्ड पार्टी को चूज़ किया था कि थर्ड पार्टी ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्गर है, तो मैं आपकी भी फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को अच्छा होते हुए देख रही हूँ, सो दैट आप अपनी लव लाइफ में आपको कोई अबंडनमेंट इश्यूज़ का सामना ना करना पड़े. Show me this person's next actions towards the Leos. Show me this person's next actions towards the Leos. Show me this person's next actions towards the Leos. Show me this person's next actions towards the Leos. Seven of Wands, Knight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, King of Swords. Seven of Wands, okay. I see this person is coming up with some sort of an apology. Bottom of the deck, we have Two of Pentacles, we have King of Pentacles, we have Ace of Swords. This person knows that you bring a lot to the table. आपकी एनर्जी बहुत हाई फाई है और आपकी एनर्जी को मैच करने के लिए इन्हें भी इक्वल एफर्ट, इक्वल गिव एंड टेक पुट करनी पड़ेगी. Also with the Ace of Swords, because they were not fully transparent about their feelings and emotions, and because they were masking their feelings from you, this person is thinking about giving you the clarity. And also with the Ace of Pentacles, this person, and with the Ace of Swords, this person is ready to have a new beginning in love with you. We have the King of Swords, Queen of Swords previously, and now we have the King of Swords. So Queen of Swords and King of Swords, also you are a power couple, divine counterparts, divine masculine, divine feminine. And this person is coming about, they know that they have to give you an apology, then they can have a new beginning in love with you. So उसके बगैर काम नहीं चलेगा, because आपके पर्सन ही थे जिन्होंने सिचुएशन को बुरी तरह मैसअप किया था. Show me the outcome of the situation. 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 Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? Show me the outcome of the situation. Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Justice and Strength. Bottom of the deck, we have Sun, Page of Wands and the Lovers. Could be dealing with the Gemini, could be dealing with a Leo, could be dealing with the Leo की एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, Libra की एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, almost all the signs are present over here. Gemini की एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो बॉटम ऑफ द डेक लवर्स है. ये पर्सन के दिल, दे फील दैट यू आर देयर सोलमेट, ट्विन फ्लेम, डिवाइन काउंटरपार्ट, डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन, डिवाइन फेमिनिन. ऑल्सो विद द सन, इन पर्सन को लगता है कि they are very nurturing and caring, and they want you to become the parent of their mother, parent or mother or children of their children. Okay, sorry, mother and father of their children. So I'm fumbling right now. And Page of Wands है, तो definitely ये person communication लेके आपके पास आना चाहते हैं. They want to come with the back and forth open communication. Also strength है, तो ये person strength और courage gather कर रहे हैं और कि आपकी तरफ आ सकें और आपको एक न्यू बिगिनिंग की ऑफर दे सकें. And they want to take a decision regarding the third party. Also justice है, तो they want resurrection with you in this situation. Show me channel messages. Show me channel messages from the Leo's person. Show me channel messages from the Leo's person. Show me channel messages from the Leo's person. I'm starting to understand our connection. So after losing you, this person is starting to understand the connection you do share, and they are feeling your energy even you are not with them, even you are far away from them. When this person ignored you or when they backstabbed you, they were fully aware of that. I knew exactly what I was doing. But this person wants you. Something happened in this person's life and they want to share that good news with you. And for some of you, this person feels that जब आप दोनों connection में थे, the both of you were too young, or it was too early to start a connection. And now this person is thinking about taking a move, taking a love move towards you. So this person wants to give you a love offer. So thank you so much, Leos. That's all I have for you. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.